Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resolve if your camera is not working on your Google Chrome web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up Chrome and select the menu icon up at the top right, and then go down and select Settings. Select Privacy and Security on the left panel, and then on the right side underneath Privacy and Security, select Site Settings. Underneath Permissions, select Camera, and then you want to select the option for sites can ask to use your camera. Please make sure if you're using a wireless or perhaps like a USB camera, make sure it's plugged in and connected properly and that it's detectable here. If you're trying this on different web browsers and you're not having an issue, well then obviously it's a Chrome related issue. However, if your entire computer, your camera isn't working, just by modifying camera permissions are not going to resolve it for you. So I just want to put that out there. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.